Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to HTTPS a website in Hostinger. First, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. Now, click on Websites from this left side menu. And from this page, you will see all the websites added on this hosting plan. Click on this dashboard button next to your website. Now look for security from this left side menu and click on SSL. Now select your website that you want to add the HTTPS to from this list. In my case, this subdomain still does not have the SSL certificate enabled. I will select it like that and hit install SSL. As you can see, the SSL is being installed. Your SSL is being installed for this subdomain in the background. HTTPS will be automatically forced on your domain. Click on close. The SSL status now is installing. It can take up to an hour. In case of failure, another attempt will begin automatically. So don't worry about that. Let's refresh this page. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. The SSL status is still installing. After just around 3 minutes, the SSL certificate status was automatically turned to active after being installing. And this is how to install this is how to HTTPS a website in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.